Hey, my name's Jess. Welcome to episode 2 of the branding series. Last time I gave you an introduction to branding, and today I'm going to show you how to shoot 2 specific looks. I'll be showcasing neutral tones and showing you all the ways you can use them for your branded photo look. Since this video is all about branding and how the final images look, I'll be focusing on showing you final photos instead of showing you footage of BTS breakdowns of styling. Though, if there's a photo you really like the styling of, let us know. You might see it featured in an episode of the Styling Science series. To get started, the first thing we ought to talk about is what do I mean when I say neutrals? Well, to me, neutrals are white, black, brown, tan, gray, and so on. Now, for this episode, we're mainly going to be focusing on neutral tones with earthy vibes or timeless classy vibes. But before I deep dive into that look, let's check out another natural tone style. So if you didn't know this, my personal favorite style is using neutral tones and then adding one pop of color. This looks especially good if you are going for that earthy vibe. I mean, come on, how good does this look with a dash of green plants? Or if you want to be fancy, make it a color like pink. These photos are styled extremely similar, but look how different they look. Or what if we switch that color to orange? Or gold? Like I said, this is my personal favorite style, but that's not what we're talking about today. So let's switch it back to keeping the whole thing in a neutral tone. Now, with neutrals, there's 2 main popular looks. You have this classy look with grays, whites, and blacks. They have this elegant and luxury look to them, especially when you pair them with surfaces like marble, cashmere, black marble, gray suede, and so on. Whereas on the other hand, we have different shades of tan. For this, I like surfaces like ivory clay, terracotta, and latte leaves. Tan already has an earthy look, and we can amplify this look by using more earthy elements. So think wooden risers and stone risers. You know what else makes for a great earthy prop? Plants and pampas. This style is trending right now, especially if your business involves using all natural ingredients or giving back to the environment. In the last episode, I talked about showing your business values, and this is a fantastic example of how you can do that with product photos. Now, I personally like this look with hard shadows, especially ones with leaves, which makes latte leaves one of my personal favorite go-tos. However, soft shadows can totally be a vibe by themselves. So let's go over how you can create this look. Use tan surfaces and colors throughout your photos. For risers, try to stick to materials made from the earth, so wood or stone. Decide between hard shadows or soft shadows. This is totally a personal preference. Other than those few steps, add whatever else you want to match the look you want. Now let's move on to our timeless classy look. Okay, so this look has slowly been becoming one of my brand new favorite styles to shoot. So first I want to start with this look. There's no color in this photo besides black and white. I actually got these black eucalyptus plants purely for this shoot. If you remember in episode 1, I talked about how beneficial it is to repeat elements. And that's exactly what I did. I ended up using these guys in a second photo, and look how gorgeous this turned out. So if earthy elements are great for the earthy natural vibe, what do you think would fit for this timeless classy one? An easy answer is using marble texture, but I get that from my surfaces, so what's a prop I can add? What's more classy than gold? Though you still can use wooden and stone risers. In fact, here's a really cool side-by-side of a similar setup where the only main change is that one photo has more tan tones and the other one has more white tones. Now, let's go over the step-by-steps on how to take photos like these ones. Take advantage of using whites, blacks, and grays, or you could use surfaces that have marble or another fancy texture. Decide if you want hard or soft shadows. Again, it's a personal preference. And find fancy elements that you can add, like gold, pampas, black eucalyptus, whatever you can come up with. Alright, which of these 2 natural styles did you like the most and would use for your business? What style of product photography do you hope I cover next? Find out next time. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye!